Hey, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and we're going to go over the 2018 Honda Rancher 4x4 DCT IRS. It's going to come in the olive green as well as the red and Honda Phantom camo. It is going to have the Traxlok switchable on-demand 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. It's also going to be running on a set of Maxxis Bighorn tires. You can get a good shot right there, and another good shot right here. It's going to have the lower brush guard in the front, as well as having nice halogen lights. Now, with this being the automatic or using the DCT transmission, you're going to have a electric shift as well as an automatic, so you can shift up and down there, and then you can switch between the automatic and manual right there. And there is your Traxlok switchable on the side. It is an independent rear suspension. That's what IRS stands for. You have one suspension lock there and one suspension shock there. Your differentials there. You also have a off of the shaft disc brake, which helps with debris as well as centralizing your braking off of the shaft. It's still using Honda's longitudinal engine setup, so the engine's set in sideways, so you have a shaft out the front, shaft out the back. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Turn the key, and right there she turns on. Electric fuel injection, no miss there. It's in neutral. I'm going to click it into drive, and then you can see there it's in drive. If I switch it, it's going to go into first gear, and that's your transmission switch between automatic and manual. You can switch them back and forth. Let's have you guys come up and take a test ride of this, take it around on our little track we have, and come see us at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs. All Hondas may be treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work